In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Canva. If you want certain words or phrases in your design to stand out more clearly, Canva has a simple built-in feature that makes this easy. Instead of manually placing a shape behind your text, you can use a text effect that creates a clean highlighted look in just a few clicks. This is especially useful for presentations, social media graphics, worksheets, thumbnails, or any design where you want to draw attention to key information. To get started, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the page that contains the text you want to edit, so everything is visible and easy to work with. Next, select the text you want to highlight. Just click directly on the text box. If your text is already typed out, you don't need to recreate anything. Simply selecting the existing text box is enough to begin applying the effect. Once the text is selected, go to the top toolbar and click Effects. This is where Canva groups together different text styling options, and it's the place you'll use to add that highlighted background appearance. After you click Effects, look over to the left pane. In that panel, find and select Background. This option adds a colored area behind your text, which creates the highlighted effect. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice the text becomes much more visually prominent. Now it's time to customize the highlight. Click the circular color swatch next to the color setting, then choose the highlight color you want to use. You can match it to your brand colors, use a soft pastel for a subtle look, or pick a bright color if you want the text to stand out more strongly. You'll also see a few additional settings you can adjust. Roundness changes how rounded or sharp the corners of the highlight appear. Spread controls how much space the highlight takes up around the text, which is helpful if you want a tighter or more dramatic effect. Transparency lets you make the highlight more solid or more see-through depending on the style you're going for. As you adjust these settings, keep an eye on the preview in your design so you can fine-tune the look. Small changes can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to keep your design polished and readable. And that's it. That's how to highlight text in Canva. Once you've applied the background effect and adjusted the color and settings to your liking, your text will be highlighted and ready to stand out in your design.